Hey there, it's Nathalie. Welcome to my channel. So the last couple of weeks I had a class at our college on the square, and we used a jelly plate. We made tons of papers and they used my stencils. Now I have a bunch more stencils than this, but this is an example of one that's got layers and layers and layers of paint on it. And so I discovered that if you use alcohol, now our Walmart didn't have any because of COVID, but the Dollar Tree had some for $1. And so what I did, it'll take it off pretty quick. But I left some, I stacked them up and let them sit overnight. And so let's just see what this does. This is just with my fingers. And you can see the paint's just coming off. Now, if you have some stencils that are a little delicate, of course you want to be delicate with those little edges that might be pulling up or peel back or bend backwards. Turn this over. And again, this is just my fingers, but you can use like a little scrubby mat, let me show you. Like a little green scrubby dish thing. Scouring pad, that's the word I was looking for. Scrub that off. There we go. Now let me run to the sink real quick and rinse that off, and I'll be right back. You hear the water running? Here we are, working on that, not doing anything other than just rinsing this off. And there it is. Look at that. I am amazed and impressed. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, give me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you next time. Bye.